meal start prep. Starting a poll right quick. What is a poll? Did you work out today? Let's see if you exercise or not. Very nice. This right here is a sweet potato. Wow, delicious. Oh, it's hot. Alright, so I had a crazy workout. It was a bit intense at the gym. And what I'm going to do now is get some protein in. I'm going to make the meal from scratch. It's sort of assembly slash making. And we're going to see how this works out. Okay, so I'll turn that over. This right here is a cast iron pan. Okay, oh, and there we go. Okay, that's heavy, hold on. Wow, and we are flaming, baby, we're flaming. Okay, great. Okay, let it heat up a little bit first. We're gonna start with some fresh grass-fed butter. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, great. Throw in some salt. Are the chilies not, please? Do you have any chilies? Okay, this is half an onion, some tomatoes, and some cilantro. And some green chili. I'm going to toss it in there first. Let that simmer in for a few minutes. And while we're at it, why not throw in some fresh white butter? Has anybody ever tried white butter? It's really delicious. Okay. Just for some spice and something nice, I'm gonna add a nice little chili in there. Why not? Where's the quinoa? Where's the quinoa? Okay. Next, we're gonna throw in the sweet potatoes. Right. Another cool tip that if you have ADHD and you're trying to have a nice routine, cooking really helps me. So I thought in case it helps you, give it a shot, okay?